Here's to failure. Cheers. Hey guys, it is after bedtime, kids in bed, husband's off doing his thing, and I've got a cup of hot cocoa and I just want to chat parent to parent. No activities, just talk. I don't know about you, but when I was going to become a parent, I had a whole list of things that I would never do. And I had a whole list of things that I would always do. And I have broken every single promise that I made to myself and my future child. Every single one. There is not a single thing I said that I would never do that I haven't done. And there is not a single thing that I have said that I would always do that I have done every single time. So here's to failure. Cheers. What are we gonna do? We're human. And I realized that while I put this name on me of mom and parent, that I had to be me first. That I had to be Joe first. And that this little person who is my responsibility is not the definition of who I am. I'm not defined by her existence. And you are not defined by the fact that you have had a child. We do not finish parenthood in a few weeks. It takes us years. And it feels like it's forever. But it's not. The way I parent my child now is very different from 5 years ago when she was about to turn 1. It must be hard for her, thinking about the fact that she is constantly being controlled by somebody else. That would suck. So I try and give her as much control as possible. But at the same time, I remember, you've heard me say it before, as a parent, I try to give her what I needed when I was a kid. But I realized she doesn't need that. She's already got that. She needs something else. What does she need? I don't know. It feels like all she ever needs is attention. And way more than I can give. And I'm tired of feeling guilty about that. I'm tired of feeling like I'm a bad mom because I have done all the things I said I would never do and not done the things I said I would do every single time. I'm sick of it. I'm not a bad mom. And she's not a bad kid. She's just a kid and she's trying to figure it out. And I'm still growing and learning. And we're growing up together. And you've heard me talk about that too. I was thinking, when she asked me to play today, I hate playing. I don't think I'm an unfun person, but I really hate playing. I like to do things, which is why I started this. Things we can do that are fun for them and not absolutely murder for us. If you like to play, cool, you're awesome. Good job. Good job being that kind of person. I'm not that kind of person. I hate playing. How do you like to play? Do you like to play? Are you like me? You don't like to play. What's fun? Is there a middle ground between what's fun for you and what's fun for them? So you're not pulling your hair out or chopping it off like I have because you just can't take it anymore. She said to me, "Mommy, can we play the story game?" Which is the story game that I invented that's available here. And I was like, yeah, let's do it. That's fun for me. It's fun for her. And we're doing something together. It's possible. I promise. We'll get there. I got you. You got them. We got each other. We'll get through. It's only 18 years. And the fact that you're already frustrated means that you probably can cut a good half dozen off that. So good job. Get a hot chocolate. Rest. Relax. And if you're up to it, take the needed child reality check and let's see where we're at. And let's see if I can help you. And we can be there for each other. Cheers.